Hey everybody, and welcome back to Micki is Messing with Resin. My name is Micki, so let's get to messing. Now, I've already mixed up 12 ounces, which was way too much, of Apex resin, which I'm so excited to be using. I waited a long time for it to ship from the UK, so I mixed it up. I put 40 grams in this cup for my white, and I let the rest of it debubble in my Resiners Airless Pro debubbling machine. So we're just going to do some blooms today, and I'm going to add just a couple of drops of, this Sunlight Yellow alcohol ink by Octopus Fluids in the center. Oh, crap. Oh, well, we'll work with it. All right, next we have Berry Juice Alcohol Ink by Octopus Fluids. All right, there's our berry juice. And next we're going to do plum. Like I said, I mixed up 40 grams of the white, and I put in 4 drops of the GR Easy Plus white alcohol or white pigment paste. And this is really warm. It's at 44, which is way too warm for what I wanted, but we gotta shimmy and shake here. So let me cut off a little bit of tip. I need new scissors already. I really try to clean my scissors off every time, but oh my God. All right, let's see if that works. Oh. And then they get stuck on your hands. Okay. Let's check our stream. Ah. Okay. All right, there we go. All right. All right, so we're just gonna draw some petals in. We're just gonna go into the center from the outer edge where the petals come together. right. That's it. We're going to let the resin gods do their thing. And I will put a black background on these, and then it'll be time to unmold, and that's when we will see each other next. So let me know what you think so far. Give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye. All right, everybody, here we are. We are back. These have all cured up very nicely. And I don't know if I remembered to tell you that this is the Daisy Coaster mold from Molds and Shapes. So I wanted to make sure that I got that in there. Let's take these out and see what they look like. I'm praying to the resin gods here for decent blooms. Not perfect, just decent. I'll settle for decent. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I like that one. That one turned out so good. I like it. Next one we have. Oh, yeah. See, now that is pretty. Don't you just love how the black background makes those pop? Just makes those colors, those pinks and those yellows stand out so. And oh no. Right here. This is my favorite. Absolutely my favorite. This one is the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And finally, we have, yes, another success. There's a few little blobbies in there, but that's okay. They still all look very cool. I love them all. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will make sure that I link everything in the description below. Until we meet again, see you next time.